electricity bill increased by 6%. The previous bill was 860. What is the new electricity bill correct to the nearest dollar? Increased by 6%.
All right. There's two ways of doing this. I'm going to basically give you two methods, right? So there's method one, and there is method two. And you can, and it's not like one is method one, the other one's method two. Like whichever method you choose, let's do that one here, right? And then the other method I'll show you. So you, yeah. So how do we find a percentage of a certain amount?
I usually do, I do 6 divide 100 times by the number.
Yes. So you go 6 over 100. Yep. Times by?
Times by 860. I get 51.6.
Good. And then you work that out on your calculator. What do you get? Say that again.
51.6.
51.6. Yeah, that sounds right. Okay. Now, 51.6, what does that represent?
How much it goes up by?
Yep, in?
Dollars.
Yeah, in dollars, yeah. So that's in dollars, and that's in dollars too. Got it? Okay. So now, so now that we know that the original bill is $860, this is how much it goes up by, right? What is the question asking for, and how can we get there?
So the new electricity bill, so 860 plus $51.6.
Yeah, good. Good. Yeah, do you get it? Does that make sense?
$911.
$911.60. Yeah. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. And you know what? When you started off this question and you said you didn't know, by the time you got to the end, you got to the right answer.
Very true.
Yeah, very true. Yeah, well done. So you're actually a lot smarter than you think. Well, you're actually a lot more capable if you let yourself give yourself permission to answer the question rather than being stopped by, oh, I don't know. Do you know what I mean? Like when you say I don't know, that automatically puts a restriction on your ability to solve things. It actually kind of puts the brakes on your problem solving abilities.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So there is a second method, right? Any ideas as to how you might do this another way?
Not entirely sure.
Okay. So if we were to put this as a percentage, what percentage would that represent? Have a think.
100%.
Yeah. Can you see how this is 100%?
Yeah.
Yep. So that's 100%. Yep. Well done. So how else might we do this question? Because we're increasing by
6%.
So when you increase 100% by 6%, right? What are we really finding? You'll get it. I have faith in you, Estella.
Thank you.
Yeah. Trust me that I can trust you to get the right answer.
See, I think this is the way my teacher does it.
Yep.
And so, like, it's there, but
So what are we essentially trying to find, right? So this is 100%.
Yep.
And there's a 6% increase. So what are we essentially trying to find?
Well, the new electricity bill.
Yeah. And what percent would that be?
We're trying to find the 6%.
Well,
And it's like
in the first method. And then what do we do after we found the first method?
added them all together.
Add them all together. So why don't we just do that beforehand? And if we were to do that beforehand, right, what would the new electricity bill represent as a percentage?
106%.
Sorry, say that again?
106%.
That's what I was looking for, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So told you you'd get it. So you got the 51.6, right, which is 6%. Okay. And then you've got the 806, which is the how many percent?
100%.
Yep, which is the 100%. Okay. Plus with this, which is the 6%, right? Altogether, that gives you what?
106%.
106%. Or we can just start out by taking 100%, adding 6%, and that'll be 106%. Yep. And then find 106% of what? What is that 106% of what?
Of
which amount?
860.
That's right. Okay. So the new bill is 106% of, what's of mean?
Out of.
Out of, yep. And what operation would you use? Plus, minus, times, or divide. You got 4 choices.
Divide.
No, have a think.
What are we finding?
106% of means? Divide. Have a look here. This will give you
times.
Yeah, have a look there. Yeah, right? It's times, always times.
Yeah, times.
Yeah, of means?
Okay.
Of means?
Times.
Times, of means times. Times what?
106% times.
Yep.
860.
Yep, which represents the?
100%.
Yes, 100% of what? The old electricity bill. Okay, so the new electricity bill is 106% of the old electricity bill. Okay, which is the 100% of. So what would we do here? Right. So if we're going to put this in the calculator, give me the numbers and give me how we would put this in the calculator.
You don't just put 106% into a calculator, do you? Or is it?
Well, you can. But if we were to follow the method in this question, what would we do? Or the method in this question, what would we do? Percent means over?
Percent means over 100.
Okay, so how would we write this?
So 106 over.
Yep.
100.
Oh, very good.
Times.
Yes.
860.
Ah, very good. Okay, which gives us?
Which gives us 106 over 100 times 860. 911.
911. Good. 91160.
Yeah, that method just doesn't seem to click with me.
Oh, okay. Right. Well, what did we do in that method? What did we do in this method? And then what did we do in this method? Talk me through what we did. What were the steps?
See, with method 1,
yep.
I'm grabbing the numbers that I can see. I put the 6 over the 100 because it's out of the percentage.
Yep.
And I times it by 860, the original amount.
Yep.
And I get my 6%. And then add that onto my old percent and I'll get my new one.
That's right.
And then with method 2,
Yes.
you add the percentages together at the start instead
Yes.
of the numbers.
Yep.
And then 106%, so you get the entire percent times the old bill.
Yes.
And then you put it over 100 as a percentage.
Yeah. Yeah. So what we're doing is the two choices are find 6% first as an amount and then add it on to the original. Okay?
Yeah.
That's the first one. That's the first method. Find the percentage first and then add it on to the original, right? The second method is add the percentage to the original and then find the percentage as an amount.
Mm-hmm.
You see that the only difference is the order in which we did it. You can either find the amount and then add to the original, or add the percentage to the original, then find the new amount.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. But if you're going to use method 2, the magic number, right, that you add the percentage onto is 100%.
Right, okay.
Yeah, that's the magic number. Yeah, go on. Say that again.
Does the does one method work favorably over the other, or is it?
No, they're both just as equal to each other.
Okay, cool.
It's whatever you decide you want to use.
Cool.
Yeah. I'd probably be aware of both. Okay. Just so that you can be aware of, just so that you can be aware that if one method's not working out for you, you can use the other one.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's have a look at another one.